Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Um, it's been an awesome learning, and I really can't thank you enough for coming up with this program just at the right time. And I'm so glad that I'm a part of it. Not only that I am part of it, um, I what I can observe right now is apart from your students, at least from in my case, what I can see, the concept and the techniques of NLP is somehow directly or indirectly passed to whomever I'm interacting with. Like for a small instance, for example, uh, like when I generally say my daughter asks me, what makes you so fearless? How can you allow me to go down when all the moms are telling their kids to stay at home? This was during the lockdown, when we just finished the practitioner course. So I said, what is more empowering to you? I mean, it's not that I'm not taking precautions, but what is more empowering? डर को डर डर के रह करके are you feeling more empowered? Then you nourish that डर within yourself. But if you're really feeling that dar is limiting you, then come out of it. Be sensible in taking the precautions. But somehow that clicked my daughter so much that when she went down to play, one of her friend was a little scared of even pressing the lift button to uh, the lift button. So Sanvi used to do it for her. My younger daughter used to do it for her, and somehow she, gradually when things were normal, and then uh, कुछ कुछ इंस्टेंसेस में ऐसे ऐसे डायलॉग्स ठोकती है वो, बिकॉज आई दैट इज व्हाट आई डू विथ माय किड्स. सो वो लिफ्ट बुला लेती थी उसके लिए, एंड देन समहाउ शी फेल्ट दैट व्हाट इज मोर एम्पावरिंग, दैट इज व्हाट लेक्चर एंड एवरीथिंग शी गेव टू her friend. So she said, what is more empowering to you? You want to nurture the fear, or you want to nurture the I mean, being positive and taking the steps accordingly? एंड ग्रेजुअली दीज डेज सबको बोलती है 1% आउट 100% आउट, इसलिए डोंट थिंक यू हैव कोरोना. 1% आउट 100% आउट. सो इट हैज़ कम आउट सो वेल. आई मीन, छोटे छोटे इंस्टेंसेज विच द whatever you've used as a metaphor, sir, it has so much ingrained in my brain now that it comes out so naturally in times when I speak to my kids. Generally, the example of duck, the duck being cool and calm on the surface, and when you see it below, the paddling makes immense waves in the water. So these small examples are not only, I mean, don't reap in doubt what you sow in faith. I mean, such powerful messages that you have given all throughout the classes, sir. I mean, apart from NLP techniques, these really matter a lot, sir. And in general also, I've observed that I have become more observant about how people talk. Like, as you said, you watch KBC, and that itself is a big learning for you. um, I mean, you observe how uh, the episode is going, and that itself shows you a lot of learning. So even I have become quite observant, sir. In general, when I speak to family members, or um, general what क्या हालचाल है करके and everything, they generally come up with some lines like क्या करे, अब तो कोई उपाय नहीं है, अब तो इसके साथ रहना ही पड़ेगा, कोई उपाय नहीं है. somehow these कोई उपाय नहीं है इतना लिमिटिंग लगता था. रैपो नहीं था, इसीलिए आई डिड नॉट कन्वे एनीथिंग टू देम. बट येट आई फेल्ट दैट आई एम बिकमिंग मोर ऑब्जर्वेंट कि किस तरह का लैंग्वेज यूज हो रहा है, the language pattern, the presuppositions, and not only that, I mean, what belief you are nurturing कि कोई उपाय नहीं है, you are feeling fearful from within. No, whatever that is happening is not under our control, certainly. जनरल में मैं तो डरते डरते आई यहाँ से वहाँ. somehow when I come to know of all these when I come across all these phrases, somehow I really feel it's so much, I mean, everyone is so much in need of these concepts. You have not only ingrained the concepts of NLP as such, but that empowering belief that you have conveyed to us during the whole session is so very powerful, sir. I can't even tell you what effect it has on me. In general parlance, general also, when I talk and speak to people, I can observe and make out किसको nurture कर रहा है. मतलब, what are you, I mean, my biggest aha moment so far, I mean, all the moment, every class was aha, no doubt about it, sir. But biggest for me so far is, what are you feeding? Are you feeding the parasite, or are you feeding the excitement? Are you really feeding your positivity, positive vibes in you, or you're feeling a pleasure of, feeding negativity? Dar lag raha hai, koi upay nahi hai. Why are you nurturing all these feelings? So I did come across quite a few instances like this, and I'm more aware of how people are taking it up. And also, I'm aware that how I am supposed to take it up now. My default coping mechanism, I am sure I have certainly not imbibed each and every NLP technique so far within me, but I can see one thing, that I'm aware that this is not the way I should have behaved. This is my default coping mechanism in general, which used to be pre NLP, but now I should be more sensible in taking it up. Any situation, any event, or anything which comes up. So, thank you so much, sir. Thanks a lot. I really can't thank you enough in words. My heartfelt gratitude to both of you. Um, Thank you so much, sir. Wishing you immense happiness, love, peace, and fulfillment in life. And more power to both of you in being a guiding light to many, many, many more lives, sir. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot.